In this video tutorial we are going to use the count option, or to use count in Microsoft Excel. First of all, we will create a special sheet in Microsoft Excel. For this purpose, serial number, cell person, total cell, expand these, one is equal to plus 1, enter, is equal to, go to serial 1 plus 1, enter, drag this one, press the left key of the mouse, then drag cell person, suppose I mean Rehan or Rehan, Fahim, Bilqis, Nakib, Mujib, Shahriyar. What is the total sale of each cell person? Suppose 45,000, 43 and 5600. You can write any type of the amount. You can write any of the figure. And the last one is Ajab. Now here we want to count the number of cells which are including some data. So what is the, how to create the count? Count is equal to count into select cell 1 column and the last cell, then close, enter. Total here is 8 cell we have been used for data, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Similarly, you can use the count option for a number for 1000 or above the 1000, for lakh, for million of the cells used for different data, and you can create the count formula that how much cell has been used here. This is called the count formula. What is the formula? Is equal to count into cell 1 full column and the last cell, then close, enter. Select this, all border, then thick border, bring it to the center, underline, Control S, select with the left key, make it merge, and write count formula in Excel. we can give different designing setting to this sheet. Background color, Control S for save. Here you watch the count option or the count formula in Microsoft Excel. You can apply for different sheets for different purpose the count option. Thank you so much. Please visit our website freelearningcenter.com and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.